the world can change with technology, why shouldn't education change with it? Good afternoon and namaskar to everyone present here. I am Prasansa Paudel from grade 7A2 and today I stand before you to talk for the notion that online classes are better than physical classes. In the world powered by technology, education must involve in it. And today I will say why they are truly better than physical classes. To begin, I must acknowledge the truth with fairness. Physical classes do have their own advantages. They give us the joy of meeting friends, the discipline of a routine, and the warmth of face-to-face interactions. Teachers can observe students directly, and classrooms often create energetic learning atmosphere. But the problem begins when these strengths are overshadowed by even bigger weakness. Physical classes demand early morning rush, long travel under the hot sun or heavy rain, and carrying the school bags heavier than the college itself. Many students appear too tired in the classroom to learn anything, and inside overcrowded classrooms, shy students hesitate to ask questions. And once a lesson is missed, it is the end. There is no rewind button in physical classes. Online classes solve this burden entirely by saving time, conserving energy, and allowing students to begin learning with a clear and focused mind. Online classes are also, however, more inclusive and offers every student a voice by giving raise hand tools, chat boxes, and a comfortable home settings that allows even quiet students to participate confidently. Even if you miss a lesson in online classes, you don't need to worry. The online classes give recorded lessons so you can pause, rewind, and rewatch anytime and learn at your own speed. While physical classes use chalks and blackboards to teach, online classes use videos, animations, AI tools, slides, presentations, virtual lab, etc., which makes learning more interesting, creative, and it increases the focus of students. Online classes require no travel, no wasting time, no missing lessons, no excuses, just pure learning. You can attend from anywhere, even from your bed if needed. That is power, that is control, that is freedom, and that is the mastery which physical classes could never do. And now, let's talk about the biggest truth of all that everyone knows, but no one wants to talk about. When COVID-19 hit, physical schools didn't struggle. They collapsed overnight. No classrooms, no textbooks, nothing. But who saved it? Online classes. They did not help. They did not support it. They saved the education and they were the only lifeline at that moment. They saved the education when online classes collapsed overnight. Online classes kept every child learning safely at home. They were the true life saviors while going outside to cost us our health, even our lives. A whole generation would have lost years of education if online classes didn't exist. So yes, physical classes do have their own benefits. But these benefits don't save students during global crisis, and these little advantages don't win against big battles. Technology wins, flexibility wins, strength wins, and power wins. That's why online classes are the true winners. And now, let me respond to some points made by my fellow opponents. They say physical classes give interactions, but online classes give interaction plus comfort flexibility, which makes learning more interactive. They say physical classes build discipline, but discipline should come from self-management, not from long travels or school-heavy bags. Online classes also build digital skills and time management, the skills needed for the 21st century. They say physical classes are more clear, but online classes use animations, videos, and recorded lessons, so you can pause, rewind, and rewatch anytime. They say technology distracts students, but technology is a tool. With a proper guidance, it can build up to the most powerful studying assistance and not a distraction. Ladies and gentlemen, education must grow with the world, and the world is growing through technology. Physical classes may have traditions, but online classes give us transformation. So in conclusion, I would like to say that online classes aren't just better. They are stronger, smarter, and far more reliable than physical classes. They give students freedom and the power to learn anything, anywhere. They succeed when physical classes fail overnight. And that is a fact. So with complete clarity and confidence, I proudly say that online classes are better than physical classes. Thank you.